How to fix print not print in Word. Paid Word won't print. I'll show you quick fixes that work. Open Notepad, type test. Click File, Print. If it prints, Word is the problem. If not, your printer is the problem. In Word, click File, Print. Make sure your physical printer is selected, not Microsoft Print to PDF, not XPS, your actual printer. Check the status says ready. Make sure Print All Pages is selected. Make sure Print to PDF is not selected. Make sure Print to File is not checked. Confirm page range is correct. Press Windows key plus R. Type Services, MSC. Press Enter. Find Print Spooler. Right-click, click Restart, close the window, try printing again, turn off your printer. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn it on, try printing. Right-click Start, click Device Manager. Expand printers. Right-click your printer, click Update Driver, let Windows search. If that doesn't work, uninstall and let Windows reinstall automatically. Create a new blank Word document, type a few words. Click File, Print, try printing. If this new document prints, your original document is corrupted. Click Start Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Microsoft 365. Click it, click Modify, run Quick Repair. If that doesn't work, run Online Repair. Go to Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. Click your printer, click Printer Properties. Print a test page. If the test page prints, the printer works. The problem is with Word or the document. Click Start Settings, Devices, Printers, right-click your printer, click Properties. Go to Advanced tab, uncheck Enable Advanced Printing Features. Click OK, try printing, test print from Notepad, check correct printer selected, verify print settings, restart Print Spooler. Restart printer, update driver, create test document, repair Office, check printer properties, disable advanced features. That's it. If this fixed Word printing, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.